Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. तो कैसे हो आप लोग? I really can't express my happiness that how happy I am. We are now 6K family in YouTube. Oh my god. And this has been possible only for you guys. So thank you so very much to all of you for your boundless love and countless support. So we are now 6K and I really hope कि बहुत जल्दी 10K भी हो जाए. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए आपको जल्दी से वो जो रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है उसको हिट करना पड़ेगा. वो बिल्कुल फ्री है एंड उसके पास जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी दबाना पड़ेगा so that you will never miss any update while I upload a new video. And you can also connect me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is x_me_jaita. Well, so my today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial and I have created this makeup look right here. So this is a very easy and simple and quite glamorous makeup look. So आपको भी अगर ऐसे ही makeup look create करना है then you should watch this video till the end and वीडियो को वॉच करने के बाद सब्सक्राइब करके ही जाना. Now without further ado, let's move on to the video. So now as you can see I have already tied up my hair into a pony and I have already moisturized my face with this aloe vera gel and this is from the brand Nature Essence. So now what I'm going to do is to apply a primer, and for the primer I have taken this Wet n Wild Photo Focus DV Luminex primer. Now if you are a old subscriber of mine then you should know that this is one of my favorite primer because this has some kind of little sheen particles which make your skin really very glowy and dewy, which is the most interesting thing I like about this product. So now I'm just gonna apply this all over my face, taking a generous amount of this primer and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. And you know, it really helps to minimize your open pores which you have around your this area. Next, after the primer, I'm going to apply this concealer and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm in the shade 25 medium. So now I'm a person who always prefer to apply the concealer before your foundation because that really doesn't make your skin look cakey or patchy. So that's why I always prefer to apply the concealer before my foundation. So I'm going to apply this concealer wherever I have some pigmentations or acne marks or dark patches, or wherever I just want to highlight, like my nose bridge, my forehead, chin, wherever I have some acne marks, under eye, and also on my eyelids because this actually works like a eyeshadow base. And around my mouth area wherever I have some pigmentations. Now I'm gonna blend this with this beauty blender and this is the Dam Beauty Blender. Now once my concealer is done, I'm just gonna jump into my foundation and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So I am gonna apply this all over my face and neck. I'm just dotting it all over my face and neck, and after that I'm gonna blend it with the same Dam Beauty Blender. my foundation blending is done, and Maybelline Fit Me is such a foundation which gives you a medium coverage, and this is perfect for oily skin tone. So if you have an oily skin type and you are searching for a daily wear foundation, then I highly recommend this foundation to you, and there are a lot of shades which actually can match your skin very well. So next I'm gonna apply the compact powder, and this is also by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, and I'm gonna use it for setting my base makeup. Next, moving on to my brows. So this is the Music Flower Gel Liner in the shade dark brown, and I'm gonna use it as my brow product. So I'm just gonna filling my brows with the help of this Music Flower Gel Liner in the shade dark brown. So इसके साथ एक फ्लैट ब्रश आता है, इससे ही मैं बस फिल इन करूंगी अपने ब्राउज को. I really don't like the dramatic brows, so I always try to make my brows looking so natural. Now one brow is done, you can see, and other brows को मैं off camera कर लेती हूँ. Now as you can see, both the brows are done beautifully, and this is the time for eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, I have taken this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air, and so with the help of this fluffy brush, I'm just gonna apply this transition color all over my crease. I'm just starting with this inner side and drag it to the outer side along with the crease. To give my eyes an beautiful depth. Same thing with my another eyes. Also gonna apply the same color on my lower lash line also. Next, with the help of my finger, I have picked it up this color and just gonna apply on my lids. And just blend this all over my lids. That's it. Doing the same things for my another eyes also. So what I have done, firstly I have just applied this transition shade on my crease and also on my lower lash line, and then jump to this shade. This is a shimmery kind of brown shade, and with the help of my finger I just picked it and then just apply it all over my lids and just blend it very well. Next, with the help of this eyeliner, this is the Oriflame the One eyeliner, and इसके help से मैं आज foxy eyeline draw करने की कोशिश करूँगी. Let's see how it will turn out. Now I'm just going to do this eyes off camera. Now my both eyes eyeliner is done. Okay, so next I'm gonna curl my lashes, and after that I'm just gonna apply this mascara. This is also from Maybelline. Don't think that this is a Maybelline sponsored video. It is not, but I really love this brand Maybelline. And this is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. So firstly I'm gonna curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna apply this mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. But this is not a waterproof version. This is the washable version. क्योंकि जो Maybelline का waterproof version वाला जो mascara होता है वो उसको remove करना is like a oh my god. So I ordered it from Nykaa and this is washable version. Now if you are someone who really don't like to apply false lashes, then you should definitely invest on this mascara. This is great. It will add volume as well as it will lengthen your lashes. But in this video I'm gonna apply the false lashes at the end of this video. Okay, so my eye makeup is almost done and now I'm moving for contouring, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, as you all know, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee, which is exactly my shade. Okay, so after contouring I'm just gonna apply this blush, and this is the Oriflame the One blush, and this is in the shade Burnt Terracotta. So I'm just gonna apply this. This is a very subtle blush which I like the most, and it's kind of coralish brown color की है ये. And whenever you apply any blushes, you just have to smile, and then you just start from here, from the apple of your cheeks, and then just gradually drag it along with your cheekbones. Start from apple of the cheeks, little smile, and drag it along with your cheekbones. Now if you apply blush in this way, then your blush will look more natural and more beautiful. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत लोग बस एप्पल ऑफ द चिक्स में ब्लश लगाते हैं एंड देन यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं लगाते हैं, एंड इट लुक्स सो पिक्यूलियर. So I always prefer to drag my blushes along with my cheekbones. Little bit on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin area. Okay, so contouring is done and blushes is done, so it's time for the highlighter. And क्योंकि ये एक glam makeup look है, so blinding highlighter तो चाहिए, and this is our blinding highlighter, which is none other than the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Precious Petals highlighter. I'm gonna apply this with my fingers. Okay, so after the highlighter, it's time for the lipstick, and for the lipstick I have taken this NYB Runway matte lipstick with argan oil, and I'm in the shade 7 Glitterati. So this is a beautiful dark maroon shade which I really like. So let's apply this. Now look at this color. Isn't it very flattering and gorgeous? But you can definitely change these lip colors as per your choice. You can also apply red or pink or nude colors with this eye makeup look. So yeah, next I'm gonna apply this Mink lashes. This is the Mink 5D hair lashes and इसको मैंने एक लोकल मार्केट से बस परचेज की थी. So this is how the lashes looks like. This is a very lightweight and I always prefer to use the lightweight lashes. And मुझे ना heavy lashes बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि जब भी मैं heavy lashes को wear करती हूँ अचानक से I don't know why मेरा सर में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होने लगता है. I don't know why. So मैं most of the time lashes नहीं wear करती हूँ, बस जब मुझे YouTube के लिए वीडियो शूट करनी पड़ती है तभी बस lashes on. Otherwise I don't wear lashes. Now my makeup is almost done, and for setting my face and setting my entire makeup, I'm using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This is the makeup fixer natural aloe vera with vitamin E by Swiss Beauty. So before applying it, just shake it out and just so this is the final finished look. I really hope you like this look and like this video. Then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then जाओ जाके अभी subscribe कर दो, and also hit on the bell icon to get notified while I upload a new video. So yeah, without any more delaying, I have to go. So I will be back with my new video and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.